HIJKLMNO.
What?
H2O, water. Let's get you out of there first. Get some tissue.
Oh, we have tissue.
Go.
Why do you have this water crisis thingy, Baba?
Well, correction, it isn't even a water crisis right now. It's water stress. Water crisis or water shortage is the shortage of available fresh water for us to drink. But for water stress, there's so many more factors there. It's like, it's not just on the availability of water, it's also on its quality and how to get these to the customers.
Oh, that's so. Eddie, why do I have this water stress? Like, 70% of Earth's surface is literally covered by water.
Well, we only source 1% of that for our drinking water. 96% of all the water on Earth is ocean or saline. And then the remaining 4%, 68% of that is glaciers, 30% is underground, and the remaining, the lakes and rivers we get our water from.
Okay. Speaking of drinking water, I have to drink muna.
Again.
You know, I learned a lot of great things from you today, but I think you have to go. No offense, but I have to shower and it's so hot. I need space.
Are you sure you want to take a shower?
Yeah.
Did you know that the average shower takes 2.1 gallons of water per minute? And the traditional pail and dipper method, or what you'd know as the tabo method, takes up way less than that. Are you sure you want to take a shower now?
I think yeah, because our water bill isn't that high naman.
Well, that mindset is one of the prime reasons of the water stress. According to the World Atlas, people with that mindset tend to just waste water because they don't get affected by the bill. Oh, you want to know the other 6 reasons of water shortage?
No.
Great!
Oh my God, ang init-init. Nasa gitna pa tayo. I don't remember the past summers to be this hot.
Correction, it's dry season, not summer. The Philippines doesn't even have a summer. And this heat you're feeling, it's actually an effect of climate change, which is also a factor of water shortage.
But we shouldn't be worried, right? Because we have a lot of groundwater left. That's what I learned in school.
Actually, no. According to the University of the Philippines, by 2050, because of the current temperature and precipitation, we might lose all of that water.
How about dams? Oh my God, dams have a lot of water. We have 2 dams lang near Metro Manila or 3. We have to build a lot of dams.
Actually, the most recent dam built in Metro Manila was Angat Dam, and that was in 1967.
Whoa, that's old. That's older than my parents.
I know, right? And because of our neglect towards this dam, we haven't been maintaining it and taking care of it, and now we're facing the consequences, and it's become one of the reasons water shortage.
Oh, so I'm right. We should build more dams. Wait, I should call them na. And tell na we should make a lot of dams.
Sorry, no. There is another water infrastructure that we're forgetting about, aside from dams.
And what's that?
Our sewage system, which does not exist.
Oh, yeah. So, you're telling me that we're wasting a lot of water sa mga kanal, sa mga dagat natin, when we could have recycled it through sewage system, and then we could lessen wasted water, right?
Exactly! You're learning!
Oh, and then we're gonna live happily ever after. Tapos dadami tayo ng dadami hanggang mapuno natin yung buong earth.
And then we won't have enough resources to meet the new demand. We'll all starve to death and face extinction. Do you really want that?
Ay, ganon?
Yeah, more demand, and we have so few resources on Earth.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, that's 7. That's the 7 factors of water shortage that you're telling me about.
According to the Water Resource Institute, yes. And it looks like my job here is done. Goodbye now.
No, wait. Shouldn't we talk about the solutions to these problems? Because katulad nga nung sabi ko sa Facebook, ay woke. Sa oras na namulat ka sa katotohanan, kasalanan ng pumikit.
Look at this unexpected character development. Well, to talk about that, we have to look at the current shortage here in Metro Manila.
Manila is currently experiencing water stress, not water crisis, since it hasn't affected the management of our government yet. A brief background first. Metro Manila gets its water from the Mesa and Angat Dam, and the reason why people in Metro Manila are suffering this is because of the water level in La Mesa Dam. Funnily enough, this actually should not happen since La Mesa Dam holds less than 10% of the cumulative volume of both dams. Meaning even though the water in La Mesa Dam is not enough, it should not have this widespread impact since the water level in Angat Dam, which holds more than 90% of volume of both dams, is still at a stable level. So, why is this really happening? The demand for water, 1,740 MLD or millions of liters per day, exceeded the allocation of La Mesa Dam, which is 1,600 million liters of day. Thus, more water ended up being used than what was allocated for the citizens. People stocking up more water also contributed to the shortage and further worsened the problem for some.
Now, you know the context of the water stress here. Now, I want to lay out some possible solutions.
I know. Build a lot more dams.
Wait. That's not a good
No.
solution.
Dams is the answer.
Okay, you see, building dams is very unsustainable. It requires high capital, and if you build a lot of dams, it could lead to some disastrous overflow when certain raining calamities happen. And the more dams there are, it'll erode the soil around it, and it would create less sediment.
Oh, is that so? Then, shouldn't we higher the price of the water? Like,
Well, that would be a good solution if we weren't in the Philippines. That solution favors the rich. The rich are going to be able to shoulder these costs and get more water, but the poor won't be able to pay for any of it anymore.
I have no idea anymore. What do you propose?
Well, this might sound a bit cliche, but one of my solutions here starts on the individual level.
What is that supposed to be?
Well, we could all start out by not using that much water anymore. Instead of taking a shower, for example, you could use the dipper or tabo method, you know? Instead of using the toilet flush, you could use your laundry water to flush it so you could reuse it. By doing these small things and the combined forces of the millions of Filipinos around Manila and the billions of people around the world, you could really make a difference.
So, pansin ko nga, like, sa 7 na reasons ng water shortage, tayo rin naman yung dahilan.
Yeah. Looks like I got some people to lecture.
Live happily ever after. And dadami tayo ng
Uy,
Hotdog ka!
go!